Welcome to the aromatic world of lavender, a plant cherished around the globe for its beauty, scent, and multitude of uses. Lavender is not just one plant, it's a genus of 47 known species, sprawling across Europe, Africa, and Asia.
The name lavender is derived from the Latin word lavare, which means to wash, referring to its use in baths to help purify the body and spirit.
This flowering plant belongs to the mint family Lamiaceae, sharing the family tree with herbs like sage, rosemary, and thyme.
Lavender blooms are not just purple, they come in a palette of colors including blue, violet, and even a rare yellow.
Ancient Egyptians used lavender in the mummification process, and Romans used it for scenting baths, beds, clothes, and even hair. Lavender's essential oil is famed for its calming properties, often used in aromatherapy to reduce stress, anxiety, and promote sleep.
In culinary terms, lavender adds a unique flavor to baked goods, desserts, and even savory dishes, embodying the essence of Provence, France. Lavender honey, infused with the flower's nectar, is not only delicious, but also carries lavender's aromatic qualities.
A natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, lavender oil has been used to treat minor burns, insect bites, and even acne.
Victorian-era women carried lavender sachets as a fashionable accessory, but also as a way to ward off fainting spells and tight corsets.
Lavender fields are not just beautiful, they are a haven for pollinators like bees, supporting biodiversity.
Harvesting lavender at just the right time is crucial. Morning dew increases oil content, but too much sun decreases it. Lavender can be used to create a natural dye, offering hues from pale lilac to vibrant violet, popular in sustainable fashion.
This plant is not only drought-resistant, but also helps in soil stabilization, making it an asset in xeriscaping and sustainable gardening.
Legend has it that lavender can bring love and protect against the evil eye, embodying its spiritual significance in various cultures. Lavender's versatility extends into crafts used in potpourri, sachets, and even in homemade soaps and candles for a touch of nature. The lavender market is blooming, with France leading the way in production, followed closely by other regions embracing lavender farming. Extracts from the plant have shown promise in research for neurological benefits, potentially aiding in dementia and Alzheimer's. DIY enthusiasts use lavender in homemade cleaning products for its scent and antibacterial properties, promoting a chemical-free home. Lavender tea, known for its soothing qualities, can aid digestion, offer relief from headaches, and even soothe menstrual cramps.
The Lavender Labyrinth, a meditative garden path, combines the beauty of lavender with the mindfulness practice of labyrinth walking. Artists and photographers are drawn to lavender fields, capturing their tranquility and vibrant color, inspiring creativity.
Lavender's presence in literature and poetry often symbolizes love, devotion, and purity, enchanting readers for centuries.
In the language of flowers, lavender can signify devotion or mistrust, showing how context dramatically changes its meaning.
Sustainable brands use lavender in eco-friendly packaging and products, showcasing its natural appeal and biodegradability. Community gardens and urban green spaces increasingly incorporate lavender, enhancing city living with greenery and fragrance.
Educational programs in schools are using lavender growing as a hands-on way to teach children about plants and ecology.
Lavender's relaxing scent makes it a popular choice for pillow mists, linen sprays, and wardrobe fresheners, promoting a calm environment.
Adaptable to various soil types and climates, lavender thrives with minimal care, making it an excellent choice for novice gardeners.
Botanical research continues to discover new species of lavender, expanding our understanding and appreciation of this diverse genus.
Lavender festivals, celebrating the harvest and cultural significance, attract visitors from all over, fostering community and tourism.
Conservation efforts for lavender include gene banking and cultivation of rare species, ensuring its survival for future generations.
The soothing sight and scent of lavender can enhance mindfulness practices, supporting mental well-being in our busy lives.
Finally, lavender reminds us of the simple pleasures, from a peaceful garden to a calming cup of tea, enriching our daily rituals.